Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of psychology and sales tactics to reveal a powerful yet simple trick that can make your products or services appear more valuable without changing their price. We call it Law 16. Use Goldilocks to your advantage. Imagine this. You're on a house viewing trip with your estate agent, Clive. He shows you 3 properties, one that's too small and overpriced, another that's spacious and just slightly more expensive, and a third one that's extremely expensive, seemingly overpriced. Which one do you choose? Well, you probably picked the second property, right? That's the Goldilocks effect in action. The Goldilocks effect is a form of anchoring, a cognitive bias where people rely heavily on seemingly irrelevant information when making decisions. In this case, by presenting 2 extreme options next to the one you want to sell, you make the middle option appear more attractive. We perceive the most expensive option as a luxury, the cheapest as risky and low quality, and the one in the middle as the best value. Now let's look at some real-life examples of the Goldilocks effect in action. Panasonic did it in 1992 when they offered a premium microwave for $199.99 alongside their existing microwaves priced at $179.99 and $109.99. Sales of the $179.99 microwave soared, giving Panasonic a 60% market share boost. In another experiment, participants had to choose between all-inclusive holidays to Paris and Rome. Paris was the initial winner, but when a third option for Rome with everything included except coffee was added, it became the most popular choice. The presence of the coffee-less option made Rome seem like an amazing deal. Brands often price the middle option higher than the lowest, but much lower than the most expensive. For instance, airlines may offer economy for £800, business class for £2,000, and first class for £8,000. Many customers perceive the £2,000 ticket as the best value, even though it's not the lowest price. Now, let's talk about why this matters. The Goldilocks effect is a reminder that our decisions aren't always rational. They're influenced by social cues, fear, and survival instincts. As marketers, storytellers, and brand builders, we have the power to leverage psychology to our advantage. Using the Goldilocks effect isn't malevolent or unethical. It's simply understanding how human perception works. It's about creating shortcuts to favorable perceptions that allow the world to see the true value and importance of what you offer. So remember, Law 16, use Goldilocks to your advantage. People make value judgments based on context, so offering a range of options can tell a compelling story and affect potential customers' perception of your standard offering. The context creates the value. That's it for today's video. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and insights into the world of psychology and sales. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.